Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of internet. My name is Gautam Ahuja and I'm working as a trainer with Avishkaar. I'm sure you must have heard these words like internet of things in your day-to-day life. But we rarely understand what these terms exactly mean. Let me help you out. Internet plays a very important role in your day-to-day life. I mean, without it, you wouldn't have been able to watch this video right now. I'm sure you must be wondering how internet is exactly helping you to watch this video. Let's find out. This video is stored on the servers of YouTube somewhere in the USA. And your internet connected mobile phone or laptop is requesting this video directly from those servers. And if those servers authenticate your request, they will deliver this video directly to your internet connected device. I know your next question. There has to be some sort of communication link between those servers and your internet connected device, which is responsible for carrying this video, just like a postman. And that is what internet is, a communication link, a postman. But the most intriguing part about this postman is that it has no boundaries. I mean, it can carry your video or messages to any part of globe in couple of seconds. That is the power of internet. And the idea of connecting sensors and microcontrollers to it so that they can share data globally gave the birth to the concept of Internet of Things. Now, what this IoT is capable of doing? Let's assume you're outside your house and it's really hot, and you wish before you reach home your air conditioner should be turned on. And that is where IoT exactly comes into picture. You can control your air conditioner from any part of the globe with just a few clicks of your mobile phone. That is the power of IoT. Now, I'm sure you must be wondering that this IoT seems to be a very cool technology, but how exactly you guys can learn it? So I'm holding a perfect kit for you which will teach you IoT in a very perfect and less intimidating manner. Let's unbox this kit together. Alright, the first thing is a quick start manual which will walk you through this kit. The next thing is the alligator wires, which will help you connect various components. This component is a servo motor, which rotates at any angle you want. The next component is the raindrop sensor, which helps you to detect the presence of water. This is an LDR sensor or light dependent resistor, which helps you detect the amount of light in your vicinity. The next component is the powerhouse of your circuits. It's a 9-volt battery which will help you power your circuits. The next thing is a control module for raindrop sensor. The next component is an IR sensor which helps you detect the presence of obstacles. And the most common application of this sensor is as a proximity sensor in your mobile phone. The next thing is the air quality sensor, which helps you detect the pollution levels in the air. The next component are some resistors so that you don't blow stuff up. The next component is the breadboard, which helps you to make circuits in a very easy manner. The next thing is the battery clip and some jumper wires, which will help you connect various components in a really easy manner. The next are some red LEDs, which will help you to lighten your project. Finally, the maker board box, which includes some fun stickers, a maker board, the heart of this kit. And a programming USB cable. Now this was all in the IoT kit to get you started. There is one small problem. This maker board does not understand our human language, which means you won't be able to communicate with it directly. For example, if I ask you guys to wave your left hand for me, you'll probably do it because we share a common language. But this maker board speaks the binary language, the language of zeros and ones. And to communicate with it, we need a translator which knows both the languages of human as well as the languages of machine. And along with this kit, we also give you a translator, or better known as the Avishkaar Maker Studio, the software which is going to be your best friend while communicating with this maker board. I know this kit has a lot of parts and some guidance from our side would be lovely so that you guys can enjoy your journey of IoT without stopping anywhere. And to be honest, that sounds like a reasonable request. So with this kit, we give you an expert video series which will constantly guide you how to make a lot of projects using this kit. And this video itself is the part of that expert video series I'm talking about. But if you wish that we, the team of Avishkaar trainers, should walk you through the underlying concepts of IoT and help you make a lot of projects, you have to enroll yourself in a paid course. Now, let's talk about some projects that will be made using this kit. How about a pollution badge, which will detect the pollution levels in air? Or how about making a smart door? I mean, the door which can be controlled through an application. Okay. I don't want to ruin your journey of IoT by telling you more projects. Now, with that said, I would like to thank you for listening. And if you have any queries, please feel free to contact our head counselors. Happy making!